Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect a Chevy Equinox battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench and safety glasses. Next, locate your vehicle's battery. It's usually under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Always ensure your Equinox is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental power surges. Now, let's focus on the negative terminal. You'll easily spot it by the minus sign and often a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on this terminal. Once it's loose, gently remove the negative cable. It's crucial to secure this cable away from the battery to prevent any accidental contact, which could cause a spark or short circuit. Safety first. With the negative cable safely disconnected, it's time to address the positive terminal. This one is marked with a plus sign and usually has a red cable. Again, use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on this terminal. Once it's free, carefully remove the positive cable. Just like the negative, ensure this cable is also isolated and cannot accidentally touch any metal parts of the vehicle. To reconnect your battery, reverse the process. Attach the positive cable first, then the negative. Make sure both terminal nuts are tightened securely with your wrench to ensure a good connection. Double-check everything before starting your vehicle. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a simple process, but always prioritize safety and take your time. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.